Good afternoon, sir. I am Ashwini Kumar Panda. I belong to Chandikhol, Jajpur. I completed my matriculation in Janakaland High School, Chandikhol. Then I pursued my intermediate in Revensa Junior College. Then I did my engineering in mechanical stream under BPUT University in Vignan Institute of Technology and Management. Then I worked in a software firm for 2 years. Then I decided to prepare for civil service, left my job and started preparing.
Left it.
Yes, I have left.
Then, so you have no job experience, then you left it
Yes, sir.
and decided to sit for
Civil service.
only for state service or only you are trying for union service.
Yes, sir. I am also trying for union service.
No, naturally one person will go for that. Where did you pass from here? Did you know which college?
It is Vignan Institute of Technology and Management. It is Berhampur.
Oh,
In Berhampur.
Boromuri, another one is famous. Another what Pali Hills or what?
Sorry, sir. I didn't.
Pali Hills you trying college of Boromuri.
Yes, sir, there is Parala Maharaj College. There is another government college.
No, that is, but there is another important college famous. This name I am not heard. Other in college in Boromuri.
There is Khalikot College and
Engineering college.
NIST is there. Yes, SMIT is also there.
Your brother is doctor.
Yes, he's a doctor.
Your father is doing farming.
Yes, sir.
What is farming? You are doing there.
Sir, they have been, my family has been doing traditional farming. So yes, sir.
So you are near Chandigarh.
Yes.
Now, what is the Chandigarh? What are the famous places around Chandigarh? Chandigarh.
Chandikhol, there is a Mahavinayak. It is there is a temple in Mahavinayak and Chandi Mandir. By the name of which Chandikhol is named.
Other places.
And there is a Chhatia Bhat also in close vicinity of Chandikhol.
And there are other places around Chandigarh, Jajpur district. No?
Yes, sir. Jajpur district. In Jajpur district, Biraja Khetra. It is famous.
Going for religion. What are the other places?
So we have Ratnagiri and Udayagiri, Buddhist sites. Yes.
Have you gone there?
Yes, sir. I have been there.
What do you think that was really Buddhist the total structure that they have come out? How does it appeal to you?
Sir, that place was built by King Asoka, and the excavation has really come out with a beautiful museum after the excavation, and the things, monuments are very appealing.
Now, for the impact of Buddhism in Bhubaneswar.
Sir, Buddhism, King Ashoka, when he invaded Odisha, after that he had a transformation in his life. He changed from Chandasoka to Dharmashoka, and so the ethos of peace has been reflected in the works of Ashoka that he has done in Odisha, and Odisha's culture has also been influenced by Buddhism in terms
What
of
is the incident? What is the place where he was transformed into place?
that transformation took place near Daya Nadi, where he beheaded so many people that the river turned red.
Okay, but what is the place? Name of the place?
So it was in the bank of Daya Nadi.
Now it is known as.
I'm sorry, sir, I do not know that place.
When you go from here to Puri, if you are place of the Odisha, because that is Buddhism.
The Holy Temple, yes, 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 yes,
And
yes, sir.
what are the present? What you know the name of the places in the Bhubaneswar? Would you get the Buddhist connection?
Yes, sir. In the Dhauli itself, the Stupa.
Bhubaneswar itself. Many Achatam Bihar.
Yes, Jaydev Bihar. Jaydev Bihar.
What Bihar?
Bihar is yes. This Bihar term has been also derived from Buddhism. Yes.
What the impact of Jainism in Bhubaneswar? Is there any place which has Jainism?
Journey's name, so I'm not unable to recall, sir. Right now.
Khandagiri, Udayagiri?
Yes, Khandagiri and Udayagiri are the places of journey. Yes.
So you have done mechanical engineering
Hmm.
and you have worked 2 years.
2 years.
What's your work experience?
So the domain of my work was information technology. In the IT field, I worked, and I was working as a support associate for the global escalation of Windows and
What
Office.
do you consider that you are fit for this job, ICS? I mean, what's the civil service?
So during my job, like after the office work, when I was getting some free time, I happened to went through some news and videos, and that's how I got a connection, got to know the kind of work civil servants are doing and how they're impacting positively to the society. And I felt that the kind of uh, the kind of mindset I have, I can fit into this job. So then I decided it took me some time to come to this. Yes, I made a deliberation and left my job.
And you have mentioned that you are one of the qualities is leadership,
Yes, sir.
team leadership. Now, what do you think? What is the basic quality of a leader? To lead a team, this is the leadership, no? When you take a charge, you have to lead the team, lead the force, or target is to the team.
Yes, sir.
What is the basic quality of leadership? Good
So,
leader.
sir, I believe a leader first has to be a good follower of the norms and rules, or whatever he is trying to pursue. He must completely devote to that thing as a follower, and he should have such a conviction on the goal that he is pursuing that he is able to gather the people's intent and take them in that direction in a focused way.
And he must take the team forward.
He's still the forward.
Yeah.
He's
But
yes.
what he should have,
He
what his target is fixed, he must have a vision.
must have a vision. Yes, sir.
We always call leader, he must have vision leadership. Any leader, what the leader, one with a vision, then he leads to that.
Yes, sir.
One of the, he must be visionary, and he must capacity to carry it forward with the team.
Yes.
And then basically vision should be there. What do you think? Now, suppose, as you see, you have taken psychology. I think psychology.
Yes, sir. Psychology and home science.
And you think that dealing with the public, the normal civil service, will find always there is something. How do you think your subject psychology is going to help you in your job?
Sir, psychology finds its application in almost all field of human endeavor. For example, the study of psychology, we study rehabilitation and community psychology. They will be very apt and helpful in the administration in the grassroots level. In psychology, we also study about group behavior, organizational psychology, how to manage a team.
My question is exactly how are these things going to help in administration?
Sir, in administration, while decision making, the learning of psychology will be helpful because decision making is a process we have learned in psychology.
For example, you are the head there, and there is some problem, and the mob has come there to attack you. How are you going to pacify the mob to help you to attack you?
So basically, a mob, they have a very violent mind. So first of all, I will try to protect myself and my subordinates or whoever my officials will be there. I'll first ensure that they are physically protected, and then I will try to find the very root cause.
Normally, mob psychology, they don't have to guide them. The mob, very innocent man, very simple man is violent in a mob.
Yes, mob.
Alone he does nothing. That different. But as a leader, when the mob suppose psychology and they are all come by something, what the first suppose you are him, then you have the follower. What do you do there to pacify the mob?
So first of all, if the mob is violent, self protection is will be the first priority of mine.
Approaching. My question is actually psychology that you will think of. You have to study them, whether they are going to cause violence or the one that their process, their attitude, matters to be heard.
Yes, sir.
In many cases, we don't hear. Once you give patient hearing, you will find it will come down. A patient needs the doctor's first hear about which is here. We don't listen to people. We don't give access. You have to study their mood, whether we go psychological hearing or other, and then accordingly act. If the one that you have listened, then you listen first. Subside. And if you think that no, then you keep the ear protection or you can hear protection. That's possible.
Yes, sir.
Now, no, in psychology, we only speak of basically behavior. Then